everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to take your old vertical video content and repurpose it for Jumprope. So whether it's an Instagram feed video from over a year ago or some Instagram stories that you saved because you thought they were cool but you didn't know what else to do with them, repurposing your content on Jumprope is a great way to expand the life of that content because you can create once and we give you exports to share to every social media platform. Let me show you how it's done. Find an old video in your camera roll or even save old Instagram stories to import into Jumprope. Open the app, create a new guide, and select Split Video into Steps. Select the video you want to upload and clip the video into steps. Select step 1 and then click Add once you're done. You can always go back and adjust additional trimming later. Once the steps are uploaded, you can also adjust the footage, rotate it, mute it, and add a voiceover using our editing tools that are in the app. Customize your videos by choosing colors, fonts, and even songs to accompany your Jumprope. Preview your Jumprope before hitting publish to see if you like how the video flows and if there's anything else you need to adjust. Once you publish, you can access your exports, so you can share to IGTV, your Instagram feed, YouTube, Pinterest, your blog, and more. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it useful, and we will see you in the next one.